Good morning to all of you. I welcome you all to this English class. Today, let us do exercise or rather question 5a on page 45. Question 5a, page 45. Let us look at the answer. In the year 2021 BCE, Qin Shi Huang, the first emperor of a unified China, was affected by a strange disease. This made him, MADE, seek a magic drink to cure his illness. What he got was fermented tea, FERMENTED, fermented tea. Over 2 millennia later, that fermented tea, kombucha, became BECAME, a health drink for Indians. The ingredients of kombucha are simple: tea, sugar, water, and SCOBY. But its working, WORKING, is wonderful. The SCOBY act on the sugar in the tea, converting it to alcohol, which in turn turns TURNS to acetic acid that gives the fishy, tangy flavor to the tea. What this process does is that it packs PACKS, the fermented tea, with a host of nutrients, probiotics, and enzymes that work wonders for your body. Let us go to the B, filling the blanks with the appropriate word. First, I have to make up some story. Make up means to make up, to form some story to explain my late arrival. Second, do you approve of his suggestion? Approve of. 3. The mayor gave away the prizes. Gave away the prizes means distributed. Number 4, you pay either by check or in cash. In. 5. The novel has been translated into many languages. Translate into. 6. He quarrelled with his friend over a trifle. Quarrelled over. 7. We should not always go by appearances. Go by. 8. He went for a ride in his new car. Went for. C. Join without using and, but, or so. Number 1 answer. When we reached the hall, the examination had begun. When we reached the hall, the examination had begun. Second, begin with the second part. I don't care if or whether Manav joins me or not. Again, I don't care if Manav joins me or not. 3. Very simple. It is too cold. TOO. To wear. TO. It is too cold to wear cotton clothes. 4. Begin with the second part. He will be grateful to you for your help. Again, he will be grateful to you for your help. D. Example is already there. Number 1. As soon as the train arrived, all rushed into the compartments. Remember, as soon as can be changed into no sooner, or hardly had, or scarcely had. So here we have to use hardly. So hardly had The train arrived when all rushed into the compartments. Again, hardly had the train arrived when all rushed into the compartments. Second, a bus collided with a car. Use collision. Symbol begin. There was a collision between a bus and a car. There was a collision between a bus and a car. 3. I cannot bear it any longer. Bracket end bear it. Bear it question mark. So it has to be an interrogative sentence. So how can I bear it? Again, how can I bear it? Question mark. 4. You can come with us for the picnic provided your father permits you. Use unless. So start. You cannot come with us for the picnic unless your father permits you. Again, you cannot come with us for the picnic unless your father permits you. 5. The last time we met each other was in 2009. Use never met. Begin. We have never met each other after 2009. Again, we have never met each other after 2009. 6. March on, said the commander to the soldiers, do not give up. It has to be in the indirect speech. Begin. The commander ordered the soldiers to march on and not to give up. Again, the commander ordered the soldiers to march on and not to give up. 7. Put your tools away, people may fall over them. Bracket use lest. Remember, lest is followed by should. So the answer, put your tools away, lest the people should fall over them. Again, put your tools away, lest people should fall over them. 8. Would that I were appointed to the post. Would means I wish. So we begin. I wish I were appointed to the post. Again, I wish I were appointed to the post. Cherished corner. Portmanteau words. That means two words are combined into a new word having a different meaning. Look at the first one. Brunch. Breakfast and lunch together are combined into one word. Lunch, one word, brunch. Then other words you can comfortably go through. Words often confused. Distinguish between the different words. All, ready and already. All ready means everyone or everything is ready. Already it shows time, that means beforehand or by this time, etc. Examples are there. Second one, all together and all together. All together means all in one lot, or all are joined as a whole or a group. All together means entirely, on the whole, etc. Next one, always and always. Always means every possible method or means or techniques, but always means forever or every time, etc. Now, look at the assignment. Number 1, the parcel has been already delivered. ALREADY. Second, we went to the picnic all together. All together. 3. Now it is a different story altogether. ALTOGTHER. 4. We are always spilling milk on the table. ALWAYS. 5. Anne comes always late. Always. ALWAYS. 6. It is already 8 o'clock. Let us go. Already. ALREADY. It is already 8 o'clock. Let us go. That's all for today. Please go through these exercises and then we shall meet each other in the next class for chapter 3. Please go through chapter 3. Thank you.